Is your IUD causing trouble down there? If you think that might be the case, keep watching this video because today we are going to discuss what are the signs that your IUD is actually causing some problems, as well as some solutions to those problems. Welcome back to the channel. This platform is created to help answer all of your sexual and reproductive health questions in a non-judgmental way. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss my new videos each and every week. In today's video, we're going to focus specifically on IUD side effects. I have been wanting to do this video for a long time because when women get an IUD placed, sometimes they can have side effects from the IUD itself. And many times those side effects mimic other things that could be happening with their bodies. So it is really important to know whether or not the IUD is causing these problems or if something else is going on. So let's talk about IUD side effects. First off, let me tell you a little bit about IUDs themselves. So there are two main types of IUDs. There's the hormonal IUD and then there's the copper IUD. With the hormonal IUD, there's actually three different types. There's one called Mirena, which is made by Bayer. And this is the one that has 52 milligrams of levonorgestrel, which is a form of progesterone. The next one is called Kyleena, which is also made by Bayer, but this one has 20 milligrams of levonorgestrel. And then the third option is called Liletta, which is made by Teva Women's Health. And this one has 19.5 milligrams of etonogestrel, which is very similar to levonorgestrel. These are all similar, but slightly different forms of progesterone. And the way that they work is they basically put the hormones into the uterine cavity, which then makes the fluid around your egg and your egg itself less mature. So your hormones will still signal that it's time to release an egg, but the egg never fully matures. And without a mature egg, sperm cannot fertilize the egg. And that's how the IUD works. It's also thought that the hormones in the IUD make the liquid in your uterus thicker, which makes it harder for the sperm to travel through the liquid and then meet the egg. The copper IUD is actually just a little bit of copper wrapped up inside of a string. And the way that the copper works is it basically creates an environment in your uterus that is toxic to sperm. So it kills them before they can fertilize your egg. So let's talk about the side effects that are associated with the hormonal IUD versus the copper IUD. Some of the common side effects that you can experience with the hormonal IUD include spotting between your periods. That can happen, especially in the first 3 months when you first get your IUD placed. You might experience headaches, breast tenderness, mood changes, and some women can even experience weight changes with the hormonal IUD. Now, the reason why these things can happen is because the hormone